I'm Andrea Smith for CE Week TV. We're at CE Week 2014 at the Withings booth. I have CEO Cedric Hutchings here, and I'm really excited because I know this company really about fitness trackers, smart scales. You guys have a smartwatch.
Yes, indeed, and so far we think that smartwatch has really give watch a bad name because we are not everybody who wants to be wearing a mini smartphone, something that you need to go in the shades to read or turn a button to just read time. So we chose with the activity, which we are unveiling today at CE Week, we chose to take an opposite approach. We say, okay, why not design and develop a beautiful watch that happens to have all these features and sensors that you can get with activity tracking, but again, that is first and foremost a beautiful and elegant accessory.
And I'm going to stop you right there because we've seen the Samsung Galaxy Watch and the Sony Watch, and they're not beautiful, they're clunky, so I really want to make sure that we can see this is actually a beautiful watch. I mean, it's sleek looking, it's got a nice round face, and it looks like something I might wear.
Yes, and we think it's very important. At Withings, our mission is really to inspire health with everyday life device, and this holds and it works only if we wear it for a long time. And we think that so far with tracker, with piece of rubber and technology, we can play around a couple of weeks, but finally you don't wear it for good. And what matters and what impacts our health is what we do for good in the long term. So we did not take any shortcuts in developing a design and designing a watch which has a sapphire glass, high-end leather, high-end steel. So first and foremost, it's a beautiful accessories.
But then what will it do? Will it still track my steps and then also keep my appointments?
Exactly. So you get all the features from a connected smartwatch. So it has all the sensors to track your activity. So you get the level of steps, number of steps, distance walk, activity burns. When you're sleeping and you wear it at night, it tracks your sleep quality. So all what you expect from a tracker. But what it does, we chose to have only an analog display. So no oversized screens, but just these inner dials here that will give you the progress towards your fitness objectives. So during the day, and just by a blink of the eye, like you watch time, you can see that you're halfway towards your activity objectives. Then all the information are Bluetooth BLE into your smartphone application, HealthMate, that does gather already all other vital signs from a Withings device.
And this right now is just going to be iOS for now?
Yes, it will be released in early fall in iOS, but it does its standard Bluetooth low energy, so we are working on getting on the Android platform as well.
Okay. And then tell me about the smart functionality.
Yeah, so it's, we add some sensors and some processing, so to recognize whether you're walking, we detect running, and we even detect swimming. And that's, the first smartwatch that is 5 ATM waterproof, that come with a leather wristband that you can very easily swap with a waterproof one. So it detects, and identify all your sleep, running, walking, and swimming activities. Then it vibrates, so you can set an alarm clock and get this silent alarm by vibrating on your wrist, which is very gentle and smooth way to be awake.
And will these come in other colors? Will people be able to choose?
So it will come in two colors, one silver face and brown leather wrist, and one in black and with a black wrist. And both will be available in fall. It's one unisex size, 38 millimeters, very classic for this kind of watch.
Great. And what's the price going to be?
So it will be $390, which it's in the price range of very high-end premium watch with, again, no shortcuts. And we want really to have a genuine product that is up to the promise of let's stop doing, trying to upgrade tracker as watch, but let's make a beautiful accessories and packed with the right technologies.
And that's the new smartwatch from Withings. Thank you so much, Cedric Hutchings. I'm Andrea Smith for CE Week TV.